Hello guys, this is Kimani Thomas and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm not used to doing lunch, eating dinner or lunch or going out within a week, but today I've been surprised and we are at Seagull Hotel. It's located at Juja and you can visit them. It's along the road, yeah. So that's why you have must record some. So as you can, they do traditional. They have beef, they have chicken, they have mokimo, they have chipo, they have ugari. Ah, it's just awesome. I decided to do some home food. You know, I'm Kikuyu, and being a Kikuyu, mokimo is one of traditional meals for Kikuyu. So today I'm doing mokimo. I'll show you the meal, and I hope you enjoy. So guys, this guy here just surprised me. That guy, say hi. Yeah, that guy surprised me with a dinner. I don't know whether it's a dinner, it's a lunch. So they just offered mokimo and some beef, but they have other varieties. So I just decided to go home a little bit. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's very sweet, amazing. I just love it. Could you say hi to my fan? Could you send me of a fan song? Madam, nakuja na hiyo. Ni kabisa. Oh my god, it's sweet. Guys, it's super sweet. This mokimo, the traditional Kikuyu food here. Yes, my friend has some more. But see this? This this is the Kikuyu traditional food. Yeah. So I'm taking it with some beef. As you can see, it's a combo and some cabbages and some veggies. Yeah, just finished some drink and yeah, it's some water. Yeah. So look at the look at the syringe. Look at people there around. Look at them. Look at my friend there. Look at the place. It's just awesome. Yeah, he's a friend of mine from home. Acha mchezo. Guys, I didn't tell you. Yesterday I made a haircut. Look at me. I did some scrubbing of the face. Look at me. Yeah, you can check from far. Yeah. Look at it. Look around it. You can see everything. So the hotel is meant to do even wedding and stuff like that. Look at it. Look at it here. The terrain is just awesome. Look at it. Look at how the look at the flowers, the trees. They're just amazing. Yeah, so you can do events here, graduation event, wedding event, such events. So you can just look around it. Yeah, it's just yeah, that's me. Yeah, that is Kimani Thomas. So guys, make sure you like the video. Remember, we are creating memories. Yeah. So guys, I love you. Bye and see you next. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.